Think Tokyo's all about sushi and ramen? Think again. We're about to embark on a culinary adventure through Tokyo, uncovering the city's hidden vegetarian gems. Get ready to tantalize your taste buds and discover a whole new side of Tokyo's food scene. Hey, food enthusiasts! Today we're diving deep into Tokyo's vibrant vegetarian scene. Forget the notion that vegetarian food is boring. Tokyo is bursting with flavor even without the meat. We'll uncover hidden gems, explore traditional Japanese vegetarian cuisine, and share insider tips to make your culinary journey unforgettable. Let's get started. Let's kick things off with Shojin Ryori, the OG of Japanese vegetarian cuisine. It's like the Zen master of plant-based cooking, emphasizing seasonal ingredients and simple preparations. Next up, sushi and tempura, but hold the fish. Think refreshing cucumber rolls, creamy avocado delights, and crispy vegetable tempura that will make your taste buds sing. Traditional Japanese vegetarian cuisine is like a symphony. Each ingredient plays its part, creating a harmonious and satisfying experience. Ramen lovers rejoice. Tokyo's got you covered with amazing vegetarian ramen options. We're talking Tea's Tantan, the vegan haven inside Tokyo Station, and Kyushu Jangara ramen, perfect for mixed groups. Navigating ramen shops can be tricky. Don't be shy to ask questions and look for those vegan options. And remember, Happy Cow app is your best friend. Imagine slurping a rich, creamy golden sesame ramen from Tea's Tantan before hopping on a train. Talk about a perfect Tokyo moment. Tokyo's got neighborhoods that cater to every taste, and for vegetarians, Shinjuku and Shibuya are your go-to spots. Shinjuku, Tea's Tantan, Tofu no Futaba, Shibuya, Itami, Sushi, Edo, Tenya. Exploring these neighborhoods is like a treasure hunt for delicious vegetarian food. You never know what amazing finds await around the corner. 4 must-try vegetarian dishes. Beyond sushi and ramen, Tokyo's vegetarian scene goes way beyond just those staples. Get ready to try onigiri, the versatile rice balls, and crispy vegetable tempura. Onigiri is like the perfect grab-and-go snack, convenient, delicious, and packed with flavor. 5 tips for vegetarians dining in Tokyo. Dining out in Tokyo as a vegetarian is a breeze with these tips. Use those handy vegetarian cards. Don't hesitate to ask for modifications, and remember, politeness goes a long way. Think of those vegetarian cards as your culinary passport. They'll help you navigate the menu and ensure a smooth dining experience. 6 hidden gems, lesser-known eateries. Now, let's venture off the beaten path and discover some hidden gems. We're talking farm-to-table delights at We Are the Farm, healthy eats at Mr. Farmer, and plant-based goodness at Ain Sof. Ain Sof's Kisho box is like a culinary masterpiece, a symphony of flavors and textures that will leave you wanting more. Before we wrap up, let's dive into a hidden gem of Tokyo's vegetarian scene, vegetarian sushi spots. Yes, you heard it right. Tokyo offers an array of vegetarian sushi that will tantalize your taste buds without compromising on flavor. Our first stop is Sushi Sora, nestled in the heart of Tokyo, where you can savor the delicate flavors of beautifully crafted vegetable nigiri. Next up, head to Itami Sushi Edo, known for its innovative plant-based sushi rolls that are both visually stunning and delicious. For a more traditional experience, visit Minato Sushi, where the chefs use seasonal vegetables to create sushi that feels both authentic and refreshing. Lastly, don't miss out on Sushi Show, where you can enjoy an omakase experience tailored specifically for vegetarians, offering a unique blend of flavors and textures. So, if you're a vegetarian sushi lover, Tokyo has got you covered. Happy eating. And now, let's satisfy that sweet tooth with the best vegetarian desserts in Tokyo. First up, we have Nanaya, famous for its rich and creamy matcha gelato made from high-quality Kyoto matcha. Next, head over to Chavati, where you can indulge in their signature hojicha soft serve, a roasted green tea delight that's both unique and satisfying. For a classic Japanese treat, visit Suzukian Asakusa, offering a variety of mochi flavors crafted with vegetarian-friendly ingredients. And don't miss out on Tea's Tantan, known for its delicious vegan parfaits layered with fresh fruit, granola, and soy-based ice cream. Finally, wrap up your dessert tour at Ain Sof Ripple, where you can enjoy decadent vegan cheesecakes that are as creamy as they are delightful. Tokyo's vegetarian dessert scene is a paradise for those with a sweet craving. Enjoy! Now let's dive into the world of vegetarian sushi in Tokyo, a city renowned for its seafood, but also offering delightful plant-based sushi options. First on our list is Sushi Honton, where you can savor exquisite vegetable nigiri made with seasonal produce. Next, visit Itosho, a Michelin-starred restaurant that offers an exceptional vegetarian sushi experience with a focus on fresh local ingredients. For a more casual dining experience, head to Tea's Restaurant, where you can enjoy a variety of creative sushi rolls featuring ingredients like avocado cucumber and tofu. Don't miss out on Sushi Sora, located in the Mandarin Oriental Hotel, which offers a stunning view of the city along with its delectable vegetarian sushi menu. Lastly, check out Ginza Sushi Aoki, known for its delicate and beautifully presented vegetable sushi options. Tokyo's vegetarian sushi scene is a testament to the city's culinary innovation and dedication to quality. Enjoy exploring these unique and delicious spots. If you're inspired by the vegetarian delights Tokyo has to offer and want to take a piece of Japan back home, why not join a vegetarian cooking class? One of the top-rated classes is offered by Buddha Bellies, where you can learn to make traditional Japanese vegetarian dishes, including sushi, tempura, and miso soup. Another fantastic option is Yuka's Japanese Cooking, which provides hands-on lessons in a cozy home kitchen setting, perfect for mastering the art of vegetarian ramen and bento boxes. For those interested in seasonal and local ingredients, Cooking Sun Tokyo offers classes that focus on fresh, farm-to-table vegetarian cuisine. And if you're looking for a more specialized experience, try the Shojin Ryori classes at Daigo, a Michelin-starred restaurant that teaches the principles of Buddhist vegetarian cooking. These cooking classes not only provide you with delicious recipes, but also offer a deeper understanding of Japan's rich culinary traditions. If you've enjoyed this video, then check out the next one. Like, subscribe, and leave us your comments. Thank you for watching, and happy cooking!